How to add photos on TikTok messages. What's up everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily send photo messages on your TikTok DMs. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. Alright, let's begin. So the very first thing that you want to do is open up your TikTok. And once you open up your TikTok, all you have to do here is now access your inbox section by tapping right here. So once you get to your inbox, just open the profile that you want to send your photo to. Now all you have to do is you can type in any messages you want, and then you just have to tap on this gallery icon to open up your gallery. Now just choose any video or photo that you want to send. And once you select your picture, all you have to do is tap on send, and this photo message will be sent to this person right here. So that's how you easily send a photo message on TikTok. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share and subscribe button. I will see you on the next one.